Hey guys, Sasha with Super Pacific here. We are super stoked to see the Gen 4 Tacomas hitting the road. We got some exciting news. The existing X1 camper is gonna fit on the Gen 4 Tacoma. So if you already have an X1, you can get your X1 put onto your new truck. It's gonna involve a little adapter kit, super simple to install, unlocks the fitment from all the generations under one great camper. First step of installation is going to be removing the factory tailgate cap. Factory tailgate cap removed, we're going to take our design piece here and go ahead and reinstall it there. Got a couple little spacers on the driver and passenger side. Now that we got the cab side piece here, we are going to land this. It's got a little seal that goes against the front of the truck bed here. The cab side adapter piece on. We are going to go ahead and reattach it with the C channel here. Now that we got the adapter kit installed, it's time to land the camper. That's done just like a regular X1 installation. X1's got extruded aluminum all the way around the sides for mounting anything that you want. Single handle operation doors with unobstructed door openings, so side loading is no problem at all. Getting things in and out is a breeze. Super simple operation. One latch, two, and you're ready to rock. You can order an X1 camper for your Gen 4 Tacoma. Check our inventory as well as our current lead times all on our website, superpacificusa.com.